Verity Solutions, your comprehensive 340B partner.
Hi, my name is George Puckett and I'm the CEO of Verity Solutions. Verity Solutions is an award-winning 340B software and services company headquartered in Seattle, Washington. Verity Solutions focuses exclusively on the 340B area, and as such, everybody at Verity is passionate about providing intensive customer service and a real focus on compliance. This is a very complicated program and it requires the kind of attention to detail and deep knowledge that Verity brings to this arena. To provide the kind of service that our customers expect, Verity has team members located in every time zone across the country. Our customers have complex 340B needs and they need those questions answered quickly. So Verity provides team members in every time zone across the country. And that lets us respond to those questions in as little as 2 hours on average. Verity takes a different sales approach than others. What we were looking for was an approach that allowed our regional sales directors to really become consultative resources for our business partners. Pharmacy is complicated and oftentimes 340B makes pharmacy look easy. And our customers don't need to be hassled and they don't need to be nickel and dime. What they really need is somebody who's going to help them solve these problems and figure out how to put their pharmacy business really on the road to an optimized 340B program. Each Verity regional sales director is a skilled and experienced healthcare professional with years of pharmacy experience. They're working toward solving and providing assistance around the thorniest pharmacy problems. So as skilled as the Verity regional sales directors are, they can draw upon a wide array of Verity subject matter experts for things like mail order pharmacy, central distribution, EDI communications, HL7 ADT feeds, and more.
Hi, I'm Scott LaChute, Verity's Vice President of Operations. What differentiates us at Verity is that we're passionate about our customers and we approach every program with a mindset to become your strategic partner. Beyond your account management team in your program, we have an additional layer we call our customer success team. And this group is at your access for on-demand program analytics as well as audit and compliance services on an as-needed basis. Great service is about the culture of the people we have at Verity, and we're really proud to be the 2018 Class Award winner in our category. Every individual makes an incredible difference in what they do, and we want their passion to come out with every interaction with every customer. We're only as good as you are successful in the program, and every Verity employee takes that to the heart. So every account receives an ongoing level of support with Verity. Most accounts actually are connected with a designated account manager. And this person is actually a part of your experience with Verity throughout the duration of your program. The account manager's role is to really be a second set of eyes on your program to help you maximize savings. Now, your account manager is also part of a larger account management team, so there's always more than one person that understands what's happening in your program. Every 2 weeks, we'll actually set up a business review where we'll get together on the phone and we'll actually go through the key metrics of your program and really talk through the things that need focus and are going to help maximize your program over the long haul. Beyond the call itself, we'll actually formally recap the business review and provide you with that documentation every 2 weeks so that you have a record of what we've talked about. Additionally, our support team is available as a resource to you during extended hours, and so they'll be available to answer inquiries, address training needs, and any other things that are pertinent to your program. So Verity's implementation process really takes a fairly structured approach. The first step in implementation is we're going to assign an implementation administrator to your project. That person's actually going to be with you from start to finish until the point that you actually go live. As we start the project, the first phase is a kickoff meeting. And during the kickoff, we'll actually gather all the requirements to set up your particular version of the application, and then we'll talk about roles and responsibilities. Next, we'll move into the meat of the project, which is data gathering and actually inputting all of that information into the software itself. Then we'll begin to do testing, and once we're all satisfied with actually what we're seeing in the actual software, we'll move into the training phase. During the training phase, our goal is to get you as comfortable as we actually can with the handling of the software and navigating throughout the screens. When you're ready and when we're ready, we'll then set a launch date. And as we approach the launch date, we move you into production and you're ready to go. So our mindset at Verity regarding training is that it starts with your implementation. So as soon as you start interacting with the user interface to actually set up your test environment, you're actually experiencing training. You're becoming familiar with the user interface and you're becoming familiar with how to navigate through the system itself. Once you go live and you're handed off to your account manager, that person takes responsibility for ongoing training. And so during every 2-week business review, we'll prompt you for any training topics you'd like to dive in deeper on, and we'll also make sure that we review any new features with you that have been released into the software. Additionally, every customer has access to Verity's customer community portal. This vast online resource has a range of things that most of our customers are really excited about. First, customers can access frequently asked questions. Additionally, there are deeper knowledge-based articles if customers want to dive in about a topic in particular. How-to training documents and pre-recorded webinars give the user the option to take in training in whatever way is most comfortable for them. Finally, customers can submit support cases in our online portal as well. So there are really a number of things that our customers can do to take in information the way they want, when they want. Verity approaches training with the end user or the business partner in mind. We recognize that a personalized approach is far more effective than a one-size-fits-all. So we look forward to working with you on your personalized training program.
Hi, my name is Mark Cassidy and I'm Verity's Chief Technology Officer. Verity's software platform was designed from the ground up for performance, scalability, redundancy, and for agility. We use a lot of the same technologies in our platform that some of the most popular and high-volume consumer websites out there are using. We have an architecture that cleanly partitions the different layers of the system so that it's very easy for us to make changes quickly and agilely. We have a really flexible data model that allows us to be able to represent even the most intricate complexities of our customers' environments within our system so that we can match exactly what the customer needs. All of these elements allow Verity to be able to respond to customer needs more quickly, as well as rapidly respond to changes in the landscape of regulatory requirements. HITRUST is the industry gold standard for HIPAA compliance. In order to obtain a HITRUST certification, an organization needs to meet on the order of 300 different control requirements across 19 different topic domains, things like security, privacy, resiliency. Verity's HITRUST certification is a 2-year certification, which at the end of that period we do it all over again. This is because the landscape continuously changes in the security arena. We have to be keeping up with the latest threats that are out there, and Verity is continuing to make investments in keeping our customers' data as safe as possible. In addition to HITRUST, Verity is also in the process of obtaining a SOC 2 compliance letter. SOC is one that is used by many organizations as attestation that their providers are following best practices. Many of the requirements for SOC are similar to HITRUST, so it's not a big effort for Verity to also obtain a SOC audit as a way to satisfy customers whose organizations require that rather than HITRUST. Verity is committed to keeping our customers' data safe and secure, and will go through every effort possible to do so on an ongoing basis.
Hi, my name is Todd Behrman. I'm the Vice President of Product Management and Marketing. When it comes to sorting out our development priorities, we try to be very mindful and objective in how we determine the appropriate blend of development work items. We take a close look at things like strategic Verity initiatives, customer requests, the extensibility of those customer requests to the rest of our customer base, and other key inputs that help us balance customer satisfaction and overall platform efficiencies. We have a product steering team that meets every week to work through and prioritize the backlog of development work items as we work through our 2-week development cycles. As a key input to that process, the product management team spends a lot of time talking directly with customers, whether it be on the phone or an email. We talk with our internal staff in operations, sales, other customer-facing teams, and other key stakeholders in the industry that we partner with. That helps us make the best decisions that we can with the best information at that time and continue making rapid forward progress in adding continuous value. At the end of the day, we really love continuing the dialogue with our customers as long-term partners, and it has really helped us to continue making our product the best that we can in the marketplace today. Verity has adopted an agile development methodology that utilizes short iterative development cycles called sprints. We develop and release software every 2 weeks, and that gives us the ability to produce value rapidly by constantly improving our feature sets over time. As part of this process, we employ rigorous quality assurance testing to ensure that we have the proper functionality and adherence to 340B compliance regulations. Additionally, we have a separate quality assurance test environment beyond what we do in our development process as we're developing. We deploy code to a separate, dedicated QA test environment that replicates what we have in our production environment with new code. This gives us the ability to go through and compare the results to determine with confidence that we're ready to promote our release candidate to our production environment. Additionally, our customers can log in at any time into this test environment. They have full access and they can give feedback to us at any time on the new features that we have yet to release. To support our rapid development cycles, the product management team will take time to update all internal and external facing documentation to make sure that our employees and our customers have everything they need to make sure that everyone is well educated on the incremental feature sets that we're deploying. At the end of the day, Verity just wants to make sure that all the key stakeholders and customers are up to speed on our feature sets and software so they can get the most out of our products.
So Verity is a comprehensive 340B software and services company, and we provide all of the tools that you need in the 340B space, from split billing to contract pharmacy for your retail facilities, specialty pharmacy, hemophilia, home infusion, audit and compliance services, and much more. Our entire staff is 340B certified, and we're ready to answer those complex questions around compliance, HRSA registrations, pharmacy operations, and the like. Our covered entity customers are assigned designated account managers, and these account managers focus on really actionable insights for these customers. They provide business reviews on average once every 2 weeks, but we let our customers set their own pace. So all these services are built around a state-of-the-art cloud-based 340B system we call Verity 340B, or V340B. This system provides really fast, robust capabilities for services like split billing, centralized distribution, automated features like CDM to NDC mapping, and many more services that our customers are really looking for. I encourage you to reach out to a Verity sales director and learn more about how we can solve your 340B problems. Visit our website at verity340b.com, or better yet, arrange for a software demonstration so you can learn more about the powerful features of the V340B system.
For more information, visit verity340b.com.